Good morning, world. The weather is even worse than yesterday. And today, I've got to go up the mountain, all the way up there, all the way up there, climb the mountain in the pouring rain, and it's going to get worse and worse and worse, the weather forecast says. But you know what? I gotta do it anyway. Why? Because I've got sheep up there waiting for their new paddock, for their new grazing, because I rotationally graze, because I believe that's what's the right way to do it. And I believe that my animals, even if they're just sheep, I believe that they deserve the right treatment. Just like I believe we all deserve heaven on earth. And it doesn't matter what side you're on. We've talked about that already. That's why, even though the weather's even shittier than yesterday, I've got my hat on, I've got my Wellington boots on, and I'm doing what needs to be done because I believe it has to be done. So I'm doing it. I'm taking responsibility for what I believe in. Right? That's all I've got to say for today. Have a fun day. And don't forget, if you're not having fun, maybe you're doing the wrong thing. Or you're just not realising it needs to be done. Because sometimes you got to do shitty things for the right thing. You know what I mean?